G'day guys, going to change the spark plugs on a Holden 2006 rodeo. Okay, so a couple of things we're going to need. You're going to need a 10mm socket, a spark plug remover, also a 13mm socket. We've got to take the bolts out for the air intake manifold, because we can't actually get to it via these until we shove it out of the way. Okay, so we've got to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts and just undo the air intake there, move it to the side. 10mm to take the leads out, and just plug remover to take the plugs out. Now these plugs are platinum plugs, $15 a piece. As you can see, that one there, pretty average. Time for a change. That's what we're going to be whacking back in. Okay, fairly simple job. Alright, check back in a minute and we'll see where we're at. So I'm just going to give you a tip. Just going to give you a tip on putting spark plugs in. Alright, so we just slot it into your spark plug tool. When slotting it in, never use a tool to put it in. Always, install it fingers first. Just finger tight to make sure the thread's going in. If you try and force it, you're going to stuff the thread on the heads there. Okay, and it's going to cost you a lot of money to fix. So just start by winding it in, your fingers first, and that way you won't get any damage. Alright, once it goes in, you only want to do it up taut. You don't want to overdo it. Don't need to go overkill on these things. Just like that, nice and simple, slot out. So there's a tip for putting in spark plugs. Alright, speak to you again in a second. Alright, now we've done the spark plugs and put the air intake filter back on, re-gasketed it. She's alright to go. Now we're going to just change over an air filter. So we're taking this one out. As you can see, she's pretty dirty in and out. Okay, box is pretty clean. Here's a new one. Okay, they cost about $40 from Super Cheap. Just sliding it in, simple as that. There's an air filter change. Okay, and then we'll just put the intake box back on. Alright, so there we go. Finished the basic service on a Holden Rodeo V6. Okay, oil filter, air filter, fuel filter, plugs. Okay, it cost about $180 for the gear. And yeah, she starts up, runs well. First kick over, takes a couple of times, a bit of turning over to get the petrol back up to it. Once you've done the fuel filter, starts up, runs beautiful, no worries. Alright, thanks for watching guys.